Hello and welcome. My name is Tracy Player. Today I'm going to be showing you a tool called voice typing. It's easy to use and it's very helpful. To start, simply go to the top of your Google Doc and click Tools and scroll down to voice typing. You'll see that a microphone appears. To use voice typing, you simply click on the microphone and it will record your voice. One important note is that you will need to verbally say punctuation marks such as comma or period. So to give you an example, I'm going to read you the preamble to the Constitution. So let's get started. We the people of the United States, comma, in order to form a more perfect union, comma, establish justice, comma, ensure domestic tranquility, comma, provide for the common defense, comma, promote the general welfare, comma, and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity, comma, do ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America, period. As soon as you're finished recording your voice, as I demonstrated, you'll just click the microphone and it will stop typing what you're saying. You can use this to add feedback to students' work or just to save you time whenever you're trying to make lists for the grocery store. It's got all kinds of awesome uses. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.